Good evening, everybody. This is Uday from TinkerCoders. Here, this is a Python file where this file the user gives his age and the Python will find the user's birth of year. And this Python project uses the library date and time. In the first statement, we import the date and time, and the second statement, age, which is a variable, uh, takes the input of the user, which is his age, as an integer. And in the third statement, year birth is another variable where the age, which is the input of the user, is subtracted from the present year, which is from the library. And in the fifth statement, print year birth, which is the difference of age subtracted from the present year. And when we are running this, we get the answer. So my age is 12 and I was born in 2010. This is exactly correct, and I am learning Python from 5 weeks, and I'm in TinkerCoders for 6 months. This project is taught by my mom, and I researched about this project and I found it interesting, so I did it. And thank you. Thanks.